Okay boys, so pretty much perfect timing. This is usually when I do my Ptree's Presents video and I give away stuff off of what I've earned off of my YouTube channel. It's because I have a gambling addiction, so I get to gamble and I don't keep any of the stuff, I give it to you guys. So I was at work today trying to decide, like, do I do Berlin 2019 capsules? I don't really like them, they're not interesting. I don't want to do cases because you just get garbage skins most of the time. What do I do? And then near the end of the day, I went on Twitter, I saw the explosion. Valve added new stickers, the new RMR stickers. So this is what I'm going to be giving away, all 10 of these capsules, whatever I get from these capsules. You guys have the chance to win it if you just comment down below. So let's open up some of these things. So with these capsules, you have the regular stickers, you have the Holo stickers, and the recently introduced gold stickers. Which a lot of the people on Twitter didn't like the designs, they were pretty disappointed. I think opinions will change on that a little bit. I'll definitely make an update video on these stickers, what I think in terms of investment potential and so on. But right now, let's open these up. Okay, first capsule, let's go. I picked this capsule because it has 100 Thieves, so hopefully we get some 100 Thieves stuff. And Heroic, not a great start. The design isn't terrible, I do wish there wasn't a crown on top of the 2020, but could be worse. Let's go on capsule 2, see what we get. Almost 100 Thieves, another non-holo. But FURIA, good team. I'm not sure what these are selling for right now, I haven't checked the market at all. It's brand new, so prices are going to be all over the place. Hey, there's 100 Thieves. So I bet in terms of non-holo stickers, this is probably the best one, or I guess in terms of all stickers, I think the 100 Thieves stickers are going to be the most expensive. So, nice to see 100 Thieves. Let's go again. Vitality. Discord kind of ruined that, but Vitality, non-holo, not going great so far. All the good stickers went by for regular Navi. Okay, this is going terrible now. Let's at least get a holo. No holo. Okay. I don't know what the odds on these stickers are, but apparently it's terrible. There we go, holo. FURIA holo. Not a bad holo effect, nothing great. That's like a weird pixelate. It reminds me of the Boston 2018 Cloud9 holo. That's what it reminds me of. Let's go again, at least we got a holo. If you want to win that holo, just comment down below. 100 Thieves again. Good stuff, good stuff. Love to see it. We got two more capsules. New NIP logo. Not a big fan of it. I don't think it's terrible, but not a big fan of it. Okay, last capsule. Maybe we could get gold. Just maybe. And no gold. Regular NIP sticker. So I don't know what these things are worth, I don't know if they're anything amazing, but if you want to win any of them, especially this FURIA holo, comment down below, and in the future I'll make a video covering what I think of these stickers in terms of investment potential. Should you be buying these? Should you be buying capsules? What this means for the 2021 Stockholm Major? What it means for the operation? So on. I'll just have to research this, see what the community thinks, wait a few days, and I'll release a video on that Sunday. So if you want to win these stickers, comment down below, and I'll see you guys Sunday. Thank you for watching.